In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reopen closed tabs in Microsoft Edge. We've all closed the wrong tab at the worst possible moment. The good news is that Edge gives you several built-in ways to bring it right back, whether it was the last tab you closed or something from earlier in your browsing session. I'll walk you through the fastest keyboard shortcut, the right-click menu, and the history options, along with a few tips to make each method smooth and reliable. Let's start with the quickest option, the keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus T. On a Mac, press Command plus Shift plus T. Make sure the Edge window is active when you do this. The most recently closed tab will instantly reopen in the same place it was before. If you need to go further back, press the shortcut again. Each press steps you backward through your recently closed tabs in reverse chronological order. If nothing reopens, you may not have any recently closed tabs, or the last page you closed may have been in an in-private window, which doesn't save history. If you prefer using the mouse, you can get to the same result from the tab bar. Move your pointer to the top of Edge where your open tabs are listed and right-click an empty space on that bar, not on an actual tab. In the menu that appears, choose Reopen Closed Tab to revive the last tab you closed. If you previously closed an entire Edge window, you'll also see Reopen Closed Window, which restores that full window with all its tabs. This is handy when you want to avoid shortcuts or you're already working with your mouse. If the option is grayed out or missing, there may not be anything available to reopen. For a more deliberate approach, use the History menu. Click the three dots in the top right corner of Edge to open the main menu, then select History. You'll see a short list of recently closed pages and windows. Just click the one you want to restore. If you need a deeper look, press Ctrl plus H to open the full history pane. From there, you can browse through previous days and use the search box to find a page by its title or site name. This is especially useful if you're returning after a restart or the tab you want isn't among the most recent. To recap, use the shortcut for speed, the right-click menu for quick mouse access, and the history view when you need precision. With these tools, you can get back on track in seconds. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.